Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I just created this easy eye look for you guys. I am going to work, so I didn't want to do anything dramatic, but yeah, this is the eye look that I actually created for you guys. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. And till I see you in the next one. Okay, so I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, my absolute favorite brow product. I'm just filling in my brows like I normally do. I do have a brow tutorial that I posted last week, so if you want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, you can check out that one. But I'm just filling in my brows, and as you can see, when I apply the product to my eyebrows, I like to go in with the spoolie and just make sure that the product is well blended into my eyebrow hairs. And then I use the darker shade at the tail of the brow and try to use the brown shade in the beginning of my brow to create a very natural look. And I'm just going back and forward into the product and then into the spoolie. And then I'm just going into the Revlon Candid Concealer, and I just want to shape my brows even more. This really helps to create a sharp and nicely well perfected brow. So I'm just doing that. And I also apply the concealer on my lid as well, just to prepare my lid for all the eyeshadows that I'm just gonna put on. The reason why I'm doing this, just to create a even base for my eyeshadows. Okay, so now I'm going to the Makeup Revolution palette, HD palette, and I am going to use that color over there. I'm going to apply that color all over the crease, all over the crease, and blending it out. But as you can see, first I'm using tapping motions to apply the product, and then I'm using sweeping motions. I first want to use a tapping motion just to apply the product, because I didn't set my concealer in place with a powder. So I just want to first tap, and then I'm going to blend the product out. And I'm just going to blend and blend and blend till I see no harsh lines, or when I'm happy with the transition that I have. And as you can see, I'm quite happy with the transition. But now I'm going into that white shade over there, and I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone. And also I'm using first tapping motions to set the concealer in place, and then I'm going to almost sweep the product onto my brow bone, blending it downwards into the other shade. I really want a nice highlight over there onto the brow bone, so that's why I'm doing that. Okay, so now I'm just going into that color over there, and that color is a little bit darker than the color that I first used to apply in my crease or above my crease. And now I'm going to apply this color directly into my crease, really in sweeping motions. But I wanted to say, like I said, I didn't set my lid, so it would have been easier for me to first tap the product into the skin and then blend it out like I did with the first shade. but because I did really struggle to blend the color out with just using sweeping motions, so I really want to tell you guys to first step the product into the crease and then blend it out, because it did take a while to blend this color out. So yeah, so I'm just blending and blending. Blending is really key if you want your eyeshadows to look nice. Okay, so I just switched to a clean brush just to blend the product out even more. So I'm just using that brush to blend and blend and blend till I see no harsh lines. And now I'm switching to the first brush that I use and also going into a little bit of the first color that I use, just to make sure that the color is not lost or anything, and I'm just blending that above my crease. And going into that Revlon Colorstay palette, I'm using that pretty goldish, my favorite gold color in the palette, and I'm applying that all over my lid. Okay, so I'm just going into the darkest color that I use, and I'm going to just apply that on the outer V of my eye and blending it into the shimmer shade. And also what I'm doing there, I'm just drawing out almost like a crease. I'm drawing out a crease with that color as well, and then I'm just going into a clean brush just to blend everything. Okay guys, and as you can obviously see, I did my face off camera because I really just wanted to focus on the eyes today. And now I'm going into that color that I used on top, and that is just the darkest color that I use for this eye look, and I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. And after that I'm also going into a clean brush just to make sure that everything is nicely and blended out. And also what I want to mention is that I connect the color at the bottom with the colors on top just to make the eye looks more like complete, if that makes sense. Okay you guys, so now I'm just going into that white shade in the palette, and I'm just highlighting the inner corners of my eye. Okay, so now for almost the final part of this look is definitely the lips. So I'm just going into this nudish Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick, and the lipstick, it was the first time that I actually wore this lipstick, and it was a bit drying on my lips, so please make sure to moisturize your lips well before applying this. I do like the color though. Okay guys, so that is almost the final look. As you guys can see, I thought my face needed a little bit of more color, so that's why I went into the Maybelline Master Bronze, and you will see the difference now. So I'm just applying that where I normally apply my contour, and also on the cheek area. Can you see the difference in that? So that is the last step that I'm doing. I just thought that I want to say that. And obviously I'm going into my sorbet setting spray, and then I just showed you guys that I used the Essence Lash Princess for my lashes, and that is the final look. You guys tell me what you guys think, I'm just fixing up my hair, but that is actually the final look. And thank you guys so much for watching. Till I see you in the next one. That is the final look for today. And till I see you in the next one, don't forget to subscribe and like. Mwah.